Guys, good evening. Right now it's 7:20 p.m. and today is 30th of March 2021. So how are you guys? Market reversed after a long fall, I'm a very bullish person, For me, going through this negative market is very difficult and challenging. Like even in the falling market, I try to find some good positive trades and they don't give good momentum. So finally, Nifty has kind of, like if I just draw a channel for you. So see here, this is how it looks like. And it has come out of that channel, right? Nifty has come out of this channel today. So that's a very good sign. But if I could see something very closely, Nifty has also made a double top, right? So this is going to be a barrier for Nifty in the coming up times, which is about 500 points from here. But let's see how it goes. Like right now, what I feel that the way IT has blasted today, the way metal has blasted today, metal has also come out of the channel, and even the pharma had a beautiful move, right? It was also kind of consolidating for a long time, and today it really gave a very beautiful move. Even the Nifty service is doing pretty good today. FMCG also had a good blast, right? But still in a consolidation zone. We need a clear indication that it is planning to go up. Even MNC is in a similar way. So yeah, I have some stocks for you, but I really wish that you guys have watched my this YouTube video, which I had given, on this particular day. If you just watch it, I have given very clear targets, very clear goals. I have given a buy on SAIL and Tata Steel and an MTC, right? These were the stocks that I had given. So SAIL, I have on this date, it was around 70.5 and my target was 80. And I have given the next trade that I had given was also on the metal sector only, and that was Tata Steel, right? And I on that day Tata Steel was 729, and I said that the target is going to be minimum 800, and if 800 is crossed, then my target will be 850, or and then if it crosses, then it'll go to the 900 to touch 900, right? And I just want to show you today both the stocks, right? Both the stocks have done uh, the same thing. SAIL has it took it good 1 month, like it was entirely 1 month. And of course, SAIL had made a high of 80 or 80, 81 earlier also, and today again it made a high of 81. Even Tata Steel, right? If you have a look at Tata Steel, for the first time today, it touched the target of 800, right? Now above 800, what can be expected? Let's see, let's look at the past. What have been the highest, the lifetime high of Tata Steel? Let's see what has been the high. So now there is a good probability that it may go up till about 900, right? So 900 is where it started declining, and it went up till about 195 or 130. It made a low of 130. That was in 2009, right? Recently it has made a low because of pandemic. It made a low of about 257, and look at the sharp recovery the stock has taken. So now our target is going to be 900. So I am here back again with you guys with some stocks for tomorrow, and just keep them on your radar, and I'm expecting really a good return. So Bosch, this is my first stock, right? Bosch is my first stock. If I show you it in the daily time frame, this is how it looks like. So what I want from you all, please write in the comment box what kind of a pattern, these two candles form, right? These two together, and what confirmation have you got when you got this kind of a movement in Bosch, right? So please write it in the comment box, right? That's the way I will understand that you understand, right? The second stock that I have on my radar is Biocon, right? Again, I want you to note these three candles and tell me what candlestick pattern is this, right? What kind of a confirmation we received today from Biocon. So Biocon, we're going to buy above 410. Our stop loss is going to be 400, and our first target is going to be 420. After 420, this gap need to be filled up. You see this gap out here? This gap requires to be filled up, and that will need about 20 points, right? If these 20 points, that means if it goes above 440, then we can expect a target of 470. And my target here will be for about 1.5, 2 months. So Bosch looks pretty good. Biocon looks very good. Cadila Health is another stock, right? The reason is it's formed a double bottom, right? Oh, sorry, it doesn't look good. Just a sec. So if you notice, just let me take a pen. This is the double bottom it has formed, right? So above this place, we have a clear buying opportunity coming up here, right? So we will buy Cadila Health above 430 or 438 or 440. Our stop loss is going to be 20 points. Our target is going to be at least till this point, which is 480, right? Our holding period will be some around 1.5 month. That's what is going to be our holding period. But this looks pretty good. Then I have another stock on my radar. It is Cipla, right? Cipla is also looking. So Cadila, Biocon, Cadila, Cipla, all from the pharma sector, right? It's been waiting for a long time to give a breakout. So see here, this is how it looks like, and now it looks to be heading up, right? Price tested a low and bounced from the bottom, and today was a solid candle, right? Open equal to low, and which indicates that the buyers have been pretty aggressive today, right? So above this place 820, we will be taken in, we'll take an entry. Our stop loss is going to be 790. Our first target is going to be 850, which could be a few days. I'm not saying that you're going to get tomorrow itself, but it may take a few days. Then our last target will be 870. Then the other stock that's looking good to me is Aarti Industries, right? So Aarti has been struggling to cross this level of 1366, right? Aarti has been struggling, like before the market started falling down, it went up, then again market fell, it fell, then again it tried to go up, reached to about 1337, then again fell, and now it looks to be pulsating, and it looks to be heading in the upward direction. So our buy will initiate above 1366, right? Our stop loss is going to be 1340, 20, 25 points or 30 points is stop loss, and target is going to be minimum 1400. Above 1400, it's going to be 10% move. That means 140, 150 more points can be expected from Aarti Industries. Then like I'm finding a lot of good stocks today, but I'm not going to give all of it. But again, Divis looks pretty good to me. So Divis, again, I had given on the free channel as well for a buy early morning. So where did I give it? Divis Laboratory today. I've given a buy on Divis Laboratory. So, and so here we go. Gale, Berger Paint, Shree Cement, and Bosch, Tata Steel, Pidilite. I've given a buy on Divis here, 3572, right? At 948, I have given a buy for Divis Laboratory at 3572. And where did it close today? 3597, right? So clear move Divis has given. So Divis also looks, it has overcome the barrier, right? If you notice this barrier, it has crossed it with volume, with a solid candle, right? That shows that the stock plans to go up. But where can we expect a good move? When it crosses today's high, which is 3600. Our stop loss is going to be 3500. This is where a stop loss of 100 points, and our target could be 3800, right? About 200 points. Stop loss 100 points, target 200 points. RR ratio is going to be 1:2, which is not bad. So that is what I have, that's what is looking good. Above 3800, a target of 3900 can also be expected, right? Wipro also looks good to me. It's in the channel. If tomorrow it goes above this place, which is its high today, 421, our stop loss could be 410 or so. And our target, first target is going to be 435. That's going to be our first target. Second target is going to be 444. And if 444 is crossed, then we can expect a target of 454, right? Those are going to be targets in Wipro. And the last stock that I have is Torrent Pharma. So all the pharma is looking like a, you know, about to is picking up and looks very, very powerful. So Torrent Pharma, we can buy above 25 uh, 2555. Our stop loss is going to be 2450. About 100 point is going to be stop loss. And our first target is going to be 2700. It may take a few days, and the next target is going to be 2800. So stop loss of about 100 points, target of 150 and 250 points. Those are going to be our targets. So hope you will be able to use it and make good money along with Stock Pro. So guys, I am looking forward to see you on my channel and make money along with me. And which is where I give my very, very refined research. And of course, you can make money along with me. So I had given a buy on Shree Cement. 28,500 it made. Let's see what high did it make, Shree Cement. Shree Cement made a high of 28490, almost like 100 points, right? Almost like 100 points target was given by Shree Cement, right? Similarly, if you see here, Tata Steel, Shree Cement, Berger Paint, 762, it made a high of 772. Divis Laboratory, 3555, made a high of 3570 or 3594. That's what we saw, right? And VGuard, I've given a buy at 240 when it made a high of 249, if I remember correctly. VGuard, VGuard Industries. So VGuard made a high of 249.95, almost like 250. 9 points move was given by VGuard. So guys, be present on my Telegram channel, which is Stock Pro official, and it has about 260,000 members. And you get the live trades. I'm sure you'll be able to make money along with me. And there are people who are worried about, what will happen. So Ajanta Pharma, like if you have a look at Ajanta Pharma today, when market is going down, please don't expect the stock will move up straight up, right? And never put your stop loss with intraday stop loss. When positional stop loss means if the stock closes below the below the stop loss point, then you call it a stop loss hit. Otherwise, you don't call it a stop loss hit. So our entry was somewhere here. After that, no, never it closed below 1760, and today it gave a good blast. Now there are two stocks which are stuck up and people are really getting worried about it. I don't know why, because see, when you enter into a stock, what's the worry? This is Aarti Industries. Oh no, Aarti Drugs. Aarti Drugs. This is Aarti Drugs, right? So Aarti Drugs is, like we entered somewhere here. Somewhere here was our entry. It's at the cost price only. We haven't lost anything. So wait some time. I'm sure, it'll give us a good move. So when you invest in the cash stock, you don't need to worry. You just don't need to worry. And if you feel so worried, then the stock market is not a place for you. And it's not taken, these are not taken a beating, like it's fine. A breakout had come at 714. It's around the same price. Even I'm holding it. Even I'm holding it. If you see here, even I'm holding RT Industries, RT Drugs, right? Some quantity. I have booked today my position in ATGL, right? I bought it at 398 and I booked it at 902, more than double, right? So it's fine, I don't know why you guys get so worried if stock goes little down. You guys just get so worried. See, if you are holding it in cash, then you don't need to worry. It's okay, part of the game. It's not that if you have the bat, you will always do the batting only. You cannot do the bowling at all. If the market has come down, if it breaks, exit. Simple, as simple as that. There is no other magic. Most of the time we have profit is one odd case or two odd cases. If we don't get profit, it's fine. So that's perfectly fine. That should be okay with you guys. And see you tomorrow in the live market. Let's do live trading along with stock pro mentors, and probably you can join the tomorrow's live trading session. I'm hoping that there is a live trading session tomorrow. So here is no, this is our market profile combo course, which you can enroll for and definitely learn it. A very, very accurate way of trading. So all the best, guys. I'm sure you must be watching me on the Telegram and various other places. Just keep sending your screenshots if you made money. Even if you not made money, it's okay. Why do you get so hassled about it? Exit if you can't bear the losses. Simple, right? But this is a zone where stock is taking support. So 50, 56, 57 is a place from where stock is taking continuous support. Hope that it bounces from here. So with this, I'm signing off. But when you do trading in cash stock, I don't think so you need to worry so much, because losses are very, very well defined and you can easily manage them. So all the best, guys. See you somewhere in the live market or on Telegram or on my Twitter. All the best.